Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I was hanging out in my backyard today and I was smelling this amazing smell wafting over my back fence and into my yard. I'm like, what is that smell? And I looked over the fence and there is, as you can see, all this stuff right behind me. This is called ice plant, also known as Hottentot figs, and the flowers have actually gone to fruit. I'm like, I wonder, are the fruit of this Hottentot fig something you can eat? And the internet is a great place to look up information. So I looked it up, and sure enough, in South Africa, where this actually originates, I don't live in South Africa, I live in California, but it's an invasive species from South Africa, and they use the succulent part of this, which is the leaves, to they pickle them to eat. They eat these things, and you can actually use the juicy part, kind of like an aloe plant, for your chapped lips, for ringworm, for a lot of different disorders for the skin, which is amazing. But I was wondering what it would taste like, because I've lived with this stuff in my backyard my whole life. I've never eaten it because I didn't think you could eat it. Huh. That was bitter. Yeah, I wonder, maybe pickling it would do better. Got milk? Wow, that didn't taste so good. So at least it's edible. I also wanted to find out what is inside of these. So I've tried to find one that was kind of mushy. My fig tree in my backyard is actually going to fruit right now, but these are actually also going to fruit. This used to be the flower of the Hottentot fig ice plant, and so I'm going to cut this open for you guys so you can see what is inside of it. Let's take a look. So I'm just going to cut this in half. It smells delicious back here. And if you look inside, you can see all of the fig-like fruit. And this is really sweet, really. And I'm going to show you guys. I know for some of you, you're probably wondering, I've lived this my whole life. I've never eaten it. I'm going to see what it tastes like. It is actually sweet, lots of seeds like a fig, and you can make jam out of this. Like ice plant jam. This sounds funny, I know, but there's recipes online, super awesome. So I know some of you might not even have ice plant in your state because you might be inland, but here near the ocean they use it to hold sand down and railroad ties, and I don't know, it just holds the sand down. That's what it's kind of like, retains the sand. I live on a sand dune, so it keeps the sand in place. But you can eat this. Science is so cool, and God's given us some really amazing produce just to live by, and the amazing medicinal qualities of the leaves of this are great for your skin. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to keep your eyes open and look for cool things out there. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.